Welcome, business owners. Today, I'm going to show you how to revolutionize your customer support with AI chatbots. Imagine a world where your customer service is available 24/7, solving 80% of your cases on the spot and freeing up your agents to tackle more complex issues. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore, it's a reality with live chat and its powerful AI chatbot. So, what exactly is this AI chatbot all about? At its core, it's an advanced AI system designed to create a custom customer service bot for your business. This isn't just any chatbot, it's a standalone solution that learns from your data. It understands your products, answers questions, and even helps convert visitors into loyal customers. Let me break it down for you. First, engage your website visitors with personalized welcome messages. Imagine a potential customer landing on your site and being greeted instantly, guiding them through their journey. That kind of interaction can make all the difference. Next, showcase your products like never before. The AI chatbot can highlight your best offers, recommend products based on customer behavior, and keep visitors engaged. All this happens automatically without any manual input from your side. But it doesn't stop there. Generating leads has never been easier. The AI chatbot collects customer information seamlessly, qualifying leads and sending them straight to your sales team. No more missed opportunities. And the best part? It offers correct answers in a flash, 24/7. Whether it's 3 a.m. or a busy Monday morning, the AI chatbot is always there to help your customers. This means happier customers and a more efficient support system for your business. Now think about the impact this can have. By letting the AI chatbot handle routine inquiries, your agents can focus on more challenging scenarios. This not only boosts your team's productivity, but also enhances customer satisfaction. It's a win-win situation. So, are you ready to take your customer support to the next level? Click the link below to try AI chatbot for free. Transform your customer service experience and watch your business thrive. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.